Hi everyone, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Nowadays, we all are struggling with a microbe, isn't it? What is that microbe? Can you name it? Yes, it's a virus. It is coronavirus. Up time for me to take the class about microbe, that is microorganisms. Today's objectives are microorganism, different types of microorganism, microbes, where does it live, and the uses of microbes. Microorganism. Micro means very small. It's very minute. So we are not able to see it with our naked eyes. So we need a magnifying lens or microscope to observe these microorganisms. Microbes present everywhere in the atmosphere, in the air, in the soil, in the water. You might have observed that the microbial attack on a bread piece. If you keep a bread piece in a moist area, within 2 days you can see the microbial attack on it. You can see the greenish patches or white patches present upon these bread piece. What is these green and white patches? It is the attack of fungus. Now let's see, where do these microbes live? We said that microbes are present everywhere in air, water and soil, etc. Now let's see, let's do an experiment to show that microbes are present in soil. For that we need few materials: soil, water, a slide, a dropper and a microscope. So shall we do the experiment? Take the soil and make it a solution by adding little water. Shake it very well and take 1 drop of water from it. Take the slide and put it on the slide. You can see the muddy water and observe under microscope. Now I am going to keep it on the microscope. Oh, we can see the presence of microbes. You can see bacteria, protozoan, etc. Now we can see such type of microbes. This is bacteria. Okay, from this we have proved that microbes are present in soil. Now let's do another experiment to show that microbes are present in water. For that we need water, another slide, dropper and the microscope. Take a drop of water, put it on the slide and observe under microscope. Here also we can see the presence of such organism. It is protozoan like amoeba, paramecium, etc. From this experiment, we have proved that microbes are present in water. Now let's move different types of microbes. Mainly there are 5 types of microbes: bacteria, algae, fungi, protozoan and viruses. We have already discussed in the previous class, we have already discussed on bacteria. Now we will move to algae. Algae are plant-like organisms and they contain chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means that green pigment. So these algae will be able to produce its own food by the process of photosynthesis. But they do not have proper root or stem or leaf. We won't feel it as a plant, but it comes under plant kingdom. So Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra are example for algae. Next one, fungi. Fungi, there is no green color at all, so it is not able to synthesize its food. So it depends on dead and decayed organisms to absorb food. Example for fungi are bread mold, penicillium, aspergillus, etc. Next one is protozoan. We have already seen protozoan. Protozoans are found in ponds and lake. Example for protozoans are amoeba and paramecium. And the last one is virus. Virus is also considered as microorganism. But the thing is, it do not show any living characteristic features of living organism. We have already studied in the lower class the characteristic features of living organism. They respire, they grow, they excrete, they reproduce, they die. All these are the characteristic features of living organism. But these virus, when they get inside the body of a living organism, it starts to reproduce, or else it is just like a dead organism. Okay, and a few examples for viruses are common cold virus, HIV virus, chickenpox virus, etc. Okay. Now let's move to the different diagrams of these microbes. First one is bacteria. In the last class we have already said that there are different shaped bacteria, spiral shaped, comma shaped, spherical shaped and rod shaped. Here you can see few examples. It is spiral bacteria, it's called spirillum. Then rod shaped bacteria. Rod shaped bacteria it is. Next one, example for algae, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra are there. Few example for algae. Next one, protozoa, amoeba, paramecium, euglena, verticilla. These are the example for protozoan. Next one, fungi, bread moth, penicillium, aspergillus. All these are example for fungi. Next one, virus. Virus, actually this virus got mainly two part, a head part and a tail part, and these using this tail part it attached to the substratum. Okay, here you can see the example HIV. HIV is, what is the full form of HIV? It is human immunodeficiency virus, which is a disease caused by HIV. It is AIDS. What is the full form of AIDS? It is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. I hope you got an idea about different types of microbes. So in today's class we have seen what are microbes, where do we find, and what are the different types of microbes.